Club. Hey, get over here. of student loan debt. Alyssa Nadreny of the NPR Ed team talked with teachers who are trying to work through that math problem.
When we talked to teachers about their student loans, we heard a lot of this.
I mean, it's just like this suffocating debt.
It feels like we're stuck to a ball and chain.
Oh my gosh, but it's like never ending, it seems like. Those are some of the 2,000 teachers that answered our call for their experience with student debt. We wanted to understand what makes this particular job even more vulnerable to a ton of debt. The first factor, of course, is chronically low teacher pay. On average,
Yes.
Lauren Pena often hears that in the break room at school. She teaches 10th grade English in Oklahoma City, and she remembers getting her first classroom job.
After waitressing, it sounds awesome to make $35,000 a year.
Is that if you could jump into the other seat, if you weren't constrained by the seat, then you know that the chances of that happening and you're being able to react that quickly. How old is your husband?
32.
For the semi. What if he didn't make it? If he missed by a fraction of a second.
I tell you, this guy was otherwise crazy in all respects.
Well, I mean, I've got to admit. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you, with 150K on it, I would have to advise you against fixing this engine. First of all, I don't know how you know it's just a gasket unless something's taken it apart. It could easily be a cracked head.
A lot of paper into liquid water.
And it gets collected in this vessel where the evaporator is located. And there's a little drain pipe, a little hose actually attached to this, that's supposed to take this water and dump it out underneath the car.
You can't afford to own your own home. You don't believe in that rubbish. I don't believe in that rubbish. You know what I believe in? You. I believe that you, with the help of Home Buyer Centre, can get that first home happening for about the same as you're paying in rent. What have you got to lose? You're a loan-getting, land-finding, home-building winner. So don't be a renter. Call Home Buyer Centre on 131751 today and own it.
All finance services provided by Resolve Finance, Australian Credit Licence 385487.
There is no doubt winter is officially... For the past 7 years, Spice Market has defined the glamorous side of Melbourne's laneway nightlife. To celebrate 7 years of unforgettable nights, during July you could win a private party for you and 77 friends, valued at $10,000. Snap yourself on your next visit and hashtag 7 Years of Spice on Facebook or Instagram. Spice Market, Beanie Lane, Melbourne. Conditions apply. Must be 18 years or older to enter.
Hi, I'm Dr. David Austin, one of 5 specialist orthodontists.
Out the window at the...
We'll do it eventually.
What lane do I want in?
Turn left.
Drive 2.5 miles, then turn left onto I-25 North.
Oh, look how close it was. You can't even drive because of this. Is he still honking? While he's yelling? He just ran over a sign. No, a tree. There, look at.
sucker. That was a bit rough. I got Dashcam footage.
There's something new to be afraid of here? In addition to Preet Bharara's reputation for aggression in prosecuting public corruption, it may be that his jurisdiction here matters. Being the U.S. Attorney for Manhattan doesn't just mean that you cover, for example, all of Wall Street. It also means, in his case, his jurisdiction includes the headquarters of Trump Tower, where you see Jack coming up, who may be able to shed some light on what's going on here, why this has happened. But I should tell you that there is one previous example, just in case this becomes relevant. There is one previous example of a federal prosecutor in New York resisting and saying no when a president tried to remove him. His name was Robert Morgenthau.